Installation and configuration of the connector will take about 5 minutes. We will want to have QuickBooks open for our test connection. The last step in the configuration will be to create a cache file from QuickBooks to facilitate faster access to QuickBooks data from Excel. Since the cache is initially being created for all company data, the process will most likely take between 5 and 10 minutes. Updates for subsequent transactions in QuickBooks will be incremental and might take seconds. QuickBooks Enterprise users should not perform the QuickBooks connector installation because they already have a registered copy. Just stand by until we finish installation. Let's get started by opening the My Documents and RUW/MOD folders. Your actual folder name will depend on the module you have downloaded. RUW_CFN for Interactive Cash Flow Manager, or RUW/EJC for Enhanced Job Cost Reporting. Other than the folder name, all steps are the same. Click the QODBC exe to begin installation. We can complete installation in 8 clicks if we go with the defaults, which should work fine for most users. And we're done. Now we need to configure the QuickBooks connector. Enterprise users can access it from the QuickBooks menu under File, Utilities, Configure ODBC. Everyone else, from the Windows Start menu, select Programs, QODBC Driver for use with QuickBooks, QODBC Setup Screen. Notice the General tab that Use Company File that's now open QuickBooks is checked. This is a great feature for CPAs and external accountants who work with multiple QuickBooks clients. Just open the client company file in QuickBooks, open the reports you want on template, and you're ready to go. Select Test Connection with QuickBooks. We set permissions for the connector to access QuickBooks in each company file. Select Always Allow Access even when QuickBooks is not running. And if you have multiple users set up in QuickBooks, select a user to log in as. If you don't have multiple users, the default user is going to be admin. Select Continue and Done. And the successful connection is successful. Select the Messages tab, select Display Optimizer Status, Display Driver Status, Status Icon, and Warning Bubble. This gives us status updates as the connector is communicating between Excel and QuickBooks so you know what's going on. Select Optimizer, and at this point we're going to build that cache file. So I'm going to start that process and then we can continue on to the next step. Oh, one other thing. Anytime a new application is going to access the QuickBooks, it has to have permission. In Excel, when we access QuickBooks, we'll have to get permission at that point. But from that point on, we won't have to see that.